Hello and welcome to cleaning your mouse and keyboard. First we're going to start with giving the keyboard a jolly good smash against the tabletop. And look how many crumbs are coming out of that. Then we're going to take a soft brush and brush what we can out. Then we're going to take a harder brush and get the hard to move bits out. This will also work well on the grooves of the keyboards. Now some people might take a hoover to your keyboard at this point, but I've taken hoovers to keyboards in the past and the keys have come off, and then I've lost them because they've gone into the bag and I can't find them again. Just to get the last of the crumbs out, I'm gonna use some compressed gas, and you can see some are flying out then. Obviously the brush couldn't reach them. Next up we have the mouse. Look how dirty that is. This is not mine, by the way. It's one of my colleagues. We're going to take the hard brush and brush out the gunk. Get a soft brush in the bits that the hard brush couldn't get to. Just try and compress gas, try and get some out from underneath the clickers, but I didn't think it worked very well. The brushes seemed much more effective on the mouse. Baby wipes, or something along those lines. Giving the mouse a jolly good wipe, and then I'll move on to giving the cable a wipe and the keyboard a wipe. It's really amazing how much gunk is on the cable itself. It's much easier to be rough with these particularly flat style keyboards. Say the cherry type keyboards with the big chunky keys, it's much more difficult to get the baby wipe to clean those off. You have to go probably by individual key, which can take some time. Just notice some more gunk, brushing that out. And the keyboard's cable. And this is what I got out of the keyboard and the mouse. It's quite disgusting, isn't it? How much stuff there was in there. And the baby wipes, they're filthy. And look at that, a lovely clean mouse. Well worth doing. And the keyboard. Good as new.